Hi, Mia. What are you doing here? We're gonna make some juice. And we're gonna make some fresh squeezed juice with our juicer. And we are going to fill all the jars. And how many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jars that we have to fill up. We're working on those numbers. All right, and what kind of vegetables do we have here? We have carrots, strawberries, lemon, apple, 2 apples, a cucumber, and some celery. All right, so next what we have to do is we have to make sure we can put them all in and make enough juice to fill up our cups. You think we can do that? All right, let's give it a try. All right, let's get ready to make some juice. First, gonna do strawberries. Let's turn on the juicer. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to squish it in. 6, 7, 8, 9. Give it a good push. 10. Let me help. 10 strawberries. Well, there was an extra, but Mia put one back. So 10 strawberries. I hope this makes enough juice. Let's see what's happening down here. Oh, it's spitting out all the other parts of the strawberry. We can make a smoothie with that.
Yeah.
And now it's making the juice over here. All right, let's open up the knob and see how much juice that strawberries made. Wow! All right, awesome. All right, next, we're gonna put a cucumber in.
Oh,
big cucumber. Let's open it up. Actually, does it fit in there? Try, you can try.
Oh.
There it goes.
In a movie.
Is it squishing up the cucumber?
No.
Alright, now let's wait and see what happens with this one. That was 1 cucumber.
Oh, good.
It was only 1. Don't open it yet. Oh, she let all the juice out. Did it get all the cucumber?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look, some more juice is building up. Let's let that juice out. Great job. Okay, next are, I think, apples. Now look, the apple won't fit in there, so we're gonna open it. Mia's gonna drop an apple in there. 1 apple, 2 apples. Let's close the top. And there it goes. Let's see if it gets all our apples.
Go! Kiwi, go!
Wow, look at that. Is it making us a lot of juice?
Yeah.
The apple juice tastes the best, I think. Mia likes to keep it open. I like to keep it closed and see how much we get. We got all the apples done?
Yeah.
All right, I think we have a lemon next. 1 lemon. Good job. Let's see what happens to the lemon. Whoa, it's spinning in there.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It can wear my eye.
I'm gonna get the lemon.
Yeah.
Some juice in there. I don't know. Do you think we're gonna be able to fill up all these jars? We have a lot of jars to fill up.
Yeah. Nico. Nico요.
Ah. Still waiting on that lemon.
Gotta go there, Mommy. Gotta go there. Mommy, no.
Oh yeah, look, it's definitely spitting a lot of stuff out over here. This is the pulp of the fruit. This is the part that has the most fiber. It's actually really yummy. You can make it, what are you saying ew for? You can make a smoothie with this.
Ew.
You just can't do it when you add apples because apple seeds, you can't eat them. Well, you can, but too many are not good for you. All right, so what next do we have? Celery. Celery?
Yeah.
All right, let's add some celery. We'll count how many we have. 1.
Please. Can eat it out.
Just add some more. I know we'll do it. 2. Go ahead, add some more.
Oh,
Whoops. 3.
let go.
That's okay, just put it in there.
Mommy, my dad.
No, that's okay to go in there. We like that.
Go.
Keep adding.
E.
Celery is going to make us lots of celery juice, and celery juice is super yummy for us and healthy.
Yeah. Mommy, Mommy. Mommy, Mommy. Mommy, Mommy. Hey, Mommy, Mommy.
Oh, Mommy lost count.
Huh?
I lost count of how many there were. You always have to be careful and watch your fingers, and you never put your hand down into the juicer unless you want your fingers to become juice, and that would be no good, right? More in. I know, silly.
Mommy.
You gotta push it sometimes like this, but we break them first.
Okay.
There we go, now put them in there.
Maybe my help.
Great job.
Maybe my help.
Always need Mommy's help.
Hey, Daddy help. Almost.
One more. Oh, that one's hard. Let's see. Oh, you got it.
They are nanny.
All right. Is it making us any juice? Ooh, look at that green juice. Still gonna make a lot more. Still chopping it up in there.
Yeah. No, Mommy.
Wow.
No, nanny king. No, Mommy. Mimi, kill game. I will eat that.
Gonna leave it open?
Yeah. Go big. Go big.
I think that's all we have of all the celery. So now, before we do the carrots, we need to fill up
Go.
these jars.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Let's do the next jar. Only a little bit. Okay, stop.
Now there. Oop.
Just the corner. There we go.
Now go.
Now, push the jars over here.
Sorry.
It's okay, we'll clean it up. All right, so that's how far we filled up our cups. So we need to fill the cups all the way to the top. Do you think we'll be able to? All right, let's see what else we got going on over here. Ew, this is all the stuff coming out on the side. All right, so let's turn it on and get the counting with these carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, gotta wait its turn. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Holy moly, 30. This is a lot of carrots. 31. You gotta wait. It is poking out.
That's an evil out.
All right, 32, 33,
Gary,
34,
39,
35.
30.
All right, hold on. Let's stop at 35 and let's empty some juice because look, it's getting so full. Whoa! Okay, 36. Oh, we gotta wait for that big guy up there. Look at all this stuff coming out. Ew! Push it down. No, last time we made a really big mess with it. Let's leave it like here. All right, 37. Are we gonna empty the juice again? All right, let's finish counting. That's 37. Maybe 8. 39. All right, let's wait and get some more carrots in before we do that again. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44.
Go. You know, go. I go out. Cookie now.
I think we're at 46. All right, let's wait on the juice checks. Let's come over here and see what's going on with this guy. We'll drink all this yummy juice.
I know.
It does look like a nose. The Frosty's nose. Frosty, you don't pick your nose with it. Frosty the snowman. You're silly. All right, you ready? We had to empty out everything because it was overflowing. We're ready to get started again. I lost count. Add the rest of the carrots. Let's keep it going for a couple minutes.
No, Mommy. No.
Whoa.
You gotta go big.
All right, whoa, that is done.
Let's recording.
No, Dad.
All right, put the glasses there. All right, Mia, do you think that this is gonna be enough to fill our cups?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's spilling. Okay, 1 cup, 2,
Oh,
3,
oh no.
4. Oh no. Oh no, what happened? We only filled up 4 cups. What should we do now?
Go inside.
I think we should taste it.
Yeah.
All right, hold on, let's get a straw. Hey Mia, which one do you like better? That one with no carrots? All right, good job. I think we're done making our smoothies today. Bye.
Bye. No, thank you.